a reliable car is essential. That's why it's important to properly maintain it all year long. But finding a reputable auto repair company you can trust isn't always easy. David Ellswick is a certified mechanic and an investigator for the Montgomery Consumer Protection Office. He regularly investigates consumer complaints against auto repair shops and inspects vehicles to determine if the work billed to the consumer was properly done or even necessary.
A lot of common complaints are misdiagnosis of vehicles and also not obtaining proper authorization for repairs.
There are laws in place that protect consumers from some of those common complaints. Before work is even performed on your car, the repair shop must get your authorization, written or oral, to do it. An invoice must be provided that identifies the work performed and states the parts under warranty with the terms or limitations of the warranty. The repair shop must offer to return all replaced parts to you if you request it, with the exception, of course, of parts the manufacturer requires return because they're under warranty. Now, in DC, a written estimate for work over $15 must be given upon request, and your final bill can't exceed the total cost quoted by more than 20% for repairs costing less than $300. In Virginia and Montgomery County, a written estimate for work of more than $25 must be given if requested, and the final bill must be within 10% of the estimate, while in other parts of Maryland, the law applies to estimates of $50 or more. And get everything in writing in case there's an issue with the repairs and you end up filing a complaint. And depending on where you live and the consumer protection laws in place, there are consequences if the repair shop is in violation.
Our office does issue civil citations as an enforcement procedure. It's fines and penalties. They would also have to go to court stating that whatever violation is not going to occur again.
Make sure to give the repair shop the opportunity to correct the problem before you go somewhere else. If they refuse to make it right within a reasonable time, document it and file your complaint. Here's one other really good tip. If a mechanic replaced a particular part, ask for that part back. This is not only good just to make sure that they actually did replace it, but it's also good to use in case you have to file a future complaint. I'm Susan Hogan, News 4.